Hi, my name is Casey Vos, and I did my Assignment 3 digital media presentation over poverty. Poverty is one of the biases that we see in our school district currently, and across the United States, more than 1 in 5 children live at or below the poverty line. 30% of those children that grow up in poverty do not even graduate high school. The children that are growing up in poverty today are not ready for school, and we just keep seeing the readiness gap continue to grow. The children that are growing up in poverty, they're facing inadequacies in their cognitive development, their physical development, and their socioeconomic development with the lack of nutrition and food, and the cognitive development with the lack of reading and anything that the parents cannot provide for them. 1 in 5 children that are living in that poverty, by the age of 4, they have heard 30 million fewer words than children that are well off. That is a huge gap, just bringing our children to preschool at. Poor children are more likely to be hungry and less likely to have affordable quality health coverage. I know I have several kids coming to school hungry, and I have to meet their needs before I can even educate them. Most of those children aren't going to see doctors then, and so their health is at risk. Poor children are also less likely to graduate from the high school, and those children that are growing up in poverty, the risk of unemployment when they become adults is much higher as well. So it's just a struggle throughout their entire life then. Currently at Broadmoor Elementary School in Lewisburg, Kansas is where I teach. 28% of our students are on free and reduced lunches. We have 2 homeless families currently, and several more families that just can't even afford to put lunch money in their child's account at school. I hate to see the kids go through the line and hear that they don't have lunch money, knowing that it's not the children's fault and their parents can't afford to send lunch money. We try to do many things at our school to help these kids out. One of the things is at lunch, we have a community tray. If it's unopened, the kids put it in there, and anybody can go take from the community tray for free. So it's a good way for those kids to get extra milks or snacks. We have a program called Blessing in a Backpacks, where any kids on free and reduced lunch or living at or below the poverty line can get a backpack full of food with breakfast, lunch, dinner, and a snack for each day over the weekend. We offer that same program in the summer for summer blessings. And then also our local library in the summer provides free lunches and snacks to any children under the age of 18. They don't have to qualify for it. They just have to show up and eat it there at the library. Great way to keep our children fed throughout the summer when we're not at school. We also have the Teammates Mentoring Program, which is a really amazing program where we're partnering up an adult with a student, and they get to meet up once a week and just focus on that student's success at the school. It's a really amazing program that got kicked off in Nebraska that we just started this year. We also have title reading and title math services at our school for students to receive extra support in reading and math both. And then we have a lot of high school tutoring and clubs that happen after school. We're blessed to have many high school students that are in the National Honor Society and different merits that they're looking to further themselves, so they come and do tutoring clubs or any other types of extracurricular clubs at our school as well. Here are my resources that I use for my presentation.